Tired of mushy lentils? Well, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to make green lentils. Not only are they delicious, but they're incredibly versatile too, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is rinse the lentils thoroughly and set them aside. Next, we are going to prepare the veggies. We're going to dice up an onion and chop that up into small pieces. And next, we are going to chop up a bell pepper and a jalapeno. You can also make the lentils without any of these, but I feel like it gives it a nice savory flavor for the lentils. In a large pot, add the diced onions and green bell peppers. Let them cook for a few minutes and stir occasionally. If the veggies start to stick, just add a little bit of water to the pot since we're doing an oil-free saute. Next, we're going to add in the minced jalapenos and saute for about 1 minute. Stir that together. Next, we're going to add in the rinsed lentils and then stir together with the veggies. Next, we are going to pour in about 3 cups of veggie broth. You can always add in a little more if the lentils need a little bit of extra liquid. And I'm also going to add in 2 bay leaves. And the big question is, do you cover the lid? So for these lentils, I've decided I'm going to cook them with no lid on, so then that way the lentils can really absorb the flavor of the jalapenos, the onions, and the green bell pepper. It gives it a really nice flavor. Allow the lentils to simmer uncovered for about 25 to 30 minutes until they have softened. The lentils should be firm but not hard in the middle. You can add in some extra liquid, about a half a cup, if the lentils still need some extra cooking time. Once the lentils are cooked, remove the bay leaf and strain any excess liquid. You can store the lentils in the refrigerator for up to about 5 to 7 days, and if you plan to freeze the lentils, drain any excess liquid prior to freezing to prevent them from becoming mushy when thawed. So how can you use cooked green lentils in your meals? You can add them to a salad for an extra boost of protein and fiber. You can use them as a filling for vegan tacos, burritos, or a delicious lentil burger. They go great with cooked rice or quinoa, and they make for a wonderful grain bowl. The possibilities are endless. So thanks for tuning in to learn more about cooking with green lentils, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for delicious and healthy vegan recipes. Thanks!